Then we should also say, Allahummaghfirli Zambi. Oh Allah, forgive me my sins. We learn in a hadith that a person committed a sin and he said, Allahummaghfirli Zambi. That, oh Allah, forgive me my sin. So what happened? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgave him. Because every time the person committed a sin, he said this. He continued to seek forgiveness from Allah this way. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that my slave knows that he has a Lord who can hold accountable or who can punish. So I have forgiven my slave, do whatever you want. Meaning, if you keep seeking forgiveness from me, I will continue to forgive you. So the moment we realize we have done something wrong, let us say, Allahummaghfirli Zambi. Or simply, Rabbighfirli.